this year. I'm gonna show you what I think is gonna happen. It's not written in stone anywhere, but what we can observe here is a multi-year trend line, a big trend line from 2020 all the way to now. It was tested one, two, you could say maybe a third time here, and then we started another more steep trend line to the upside here. Again, this is another multi-year trend line from 2023, tested again here, and we could say that we're testing it one third time. As Americans say, a third time is a charm. So what I'm thinking that could happen, everyone is saying, yeah, the 50 SMA got broken, but in fact we're doing an important test on a multi-year trend line. Fear is at extreme numbers, and I would think this is where you want to buy. Yeah, I mean, we could go lower, sure, and test this bigger trend line. Well, buy some here, buy some here if you can. Not financial advice, but this is where you want to be buying. I think we still have a nice move to the upside left. People are saying 4-year cycle. People are saying, yeah, it's gonna go south. I do not think this is the case right now. We have too many bullish things coming up this year, 2026. I would be buying right now. I think everyone is gonna get it wrong. Everyone is gonna sell thinking this is the 4-year cycle, end of the 4-year cycle, when in fact it's a nice opportunity to buy. We haven't really seen any euphoric or felt any euphoric phase yet this year, and I think it's coming. So we'll see what happens. One thing we can do, we can observe this smaller trend line here in yellow, this down trend line, and let's say the price was to break to the upside. Yeah, maybe maybe we get lower, maybe not, maybe we get here, sure, why not? But then observe, if we break this trend line, this yellow trend line here, if we break it to the upside, maybe that would be the time to enter long. And guess what? It could happen here, it could happen here, it could even happen right around here, Yeah, sure, we went down. Maybe we bounce from here. Maybe we break through the yellow trend line. Buy after it breaks. Confirmation, maybe it gets confirmed. It got broken. It respected this trend line. Maybe it's a beautiful place to buy. I mean, I'm not saying it could happen, but maybe it could happen. That's what I think. Sure. In my previous video, I said, yeah, we got into a golden zone, maybe a nice area to enter long. But I also stated that if this trend line was broken, that would be a confirmation to enter long. If you're a risk taker, you like risk, you could enter here and then put your stop loss below the zone, and you could get stopped out. But if you wait, you're more conservative, you can wait for the confirmation to get broken to the upside and go long. But wait for the confirmation, yeah, we break this trend line to the downside, nice opportunity to go long. That's what I'm saying. I'm thinking that everyone is gonna get it wrong. Everyone is gonna think the cycle is over. And yeah, it's risky to say, I mean, it's risky to say the cycle is not over. It's risky to say we have a lot more to go. But I think we haven't hit that euphoric phase yet. Have you felt euphoric lately? Have you? Exactly. So I think we need to feel that euphoric phase before we can call it a top. So I'm thinking, that's my thinking, just my thinking. Am I willing to put some money down here? Sure, why not? Why not? Try a trade here, entry here, entry here, sure, why not? That's what I'm saying.